It's about drive, it's about power.
Alright, so here we are just doing my hair, which has absolutely nothing to do with my costume at all. It was just like 1 a.m. and I was like, I am very tired of this color. So it was very impulsive of me to do, but I think it came out great. I didn't film the whole thing, I literally just filmed me bleaching it because after I was done bleaching it, I was like, no, I'm not feeling this. And I literally stayed up till like 4 a.m. doing my hair, like from 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. And it's crazy because I was literally just dyeing it blue. I didn't do anything special. But it came out really orange after the bleaching. So I mixed aquamarine from Arctic Fox and like royal purple, I think. I mixed the purple in because I know purple covers orange. And originally I wanted like a teal blue, but I was like, no, I need a little more of this orange covered. So I put in a lot of purple to cover it up. But it was basically like a 2-to-1 ratio of the aquamarine like being 2 and the purple being lesser. This blue is so good though. Like, I hate blue hair. I feel like blue hair is just like the mentally ill phase, like when you are absolutely done. So I'm just like, oh, I don't want to be that bitch with blue hair, but I look so amazing with it. Anyway, I started from the ends and I let the ends sit with the bleach for like 30 minutes and then I moved up to the roots, and I think that was a pretty good decision because I kind of had like red dye on my hair, like the uncut parts of my mullet. So the ends were a little red, but the blue absolutely covered it, which I was surprised because it's not supposed to do that. But this idea was super impulsive because I just wanted to look hot and sexy for Halloween, and I was like, I'm really not feeling this black hair. Like, it's just not doing it for me, especially with the blonde in it, because it's like the roots are so grown out at this point, and I was like, I just want to be the hottest, sexiest me I can be for Halloween. So recap, this was the best decision I ever made, and now we're gonna like get into the get ready with me part. Alright, so here we are with freshly dyed hair. It was pretty impulsive. It was like 1 a.m. or something, and I was like, okay, let's go. But, this is a nourishing oil for de-stressing and conditioning skin. I got it from Beauty Bay. They sent me like a package. I like the stuff I got. I think I got that new Nicki palette. Damn, I have some shit brewing on my face. You cannot see it, but I have some shit. I'm not gonna pop it. Right now, we are just getting ready for a Halloween party. I'm not a trick-or-treater. I don't trick-or-treat, but I have my costume all picked out. I'm being a cowgirl. Wait, let me show you my boots. I'm gonna wear these boots with it. I don't know. I just like getting dressed up, you know? I think these contacts are Polar Ice Gray from TTDI. I'm trying to figure out a way to like organize my desk without actually having to organize it. I just refuse to organize it because I use every single thing on my desk, so I just don't see why I have to put up stuff I use every single day. Oh fuck, you know what? Forget that. I'm gonna put on primer. Cause this party is until 6, but I have to get ready now because like this annoying ass dude is coming over. He wants me to do his makeup. I don't really want to do his makeup. I keep switching for moods, like, ooh, I want to do his makeup, and then I'm like, no, I don't really want to do his makeup. I just don't really want to waste product because it's expensive. We're probably not gonna know each other in a few months, so. But I tried talking to someone. I feel like I just attract wall punchers. I wasn't looking for a serious relationship or anything. I was just trying to hang out and cuddle with someone because I get lonely. I don't know what's wrong with me because I really try to do my best background checking everyone. Like, I really don't play about anything anymore when it comes to talking because I'm just so tired of getting my feelings hurt. It's not even just guys my age. I feel like it's like all guys. I feel like I'm waiting to grow up and be in an age group where it's not as bad and it's never gonna happen. But I think I'm just living out my gay mechanic era from now on. This piercing, the swelling went down the first day, but then it came back like the second day. And I was like, oh, okay, so maybe it's just the swelling, but it's still like crooked. It's not that bad. I'm just gonna deal with it until I can't anymore. How did I get blue on my inner corner? How did I get blue dye there? I'm just doing a simple look today because there's not really like, I'm gonna do some like big winged eyeliner and shit, but there's not really a set cowgirl makeup look, you know? Alright, really quick, I'm going to do my little contour and let that sit while I highlight. I'm not gonna highlight on camera, I don't know. Maybe if I find something to talk about, I'll do it. Right. There's our contour for today. I'm going to like a party tonight. I don't know. Anyways, I like tried like talking to people for a second and then I realized how annoying it is. So I was like, okay, I need to cut the hose off. Cause I was only trying to talk to one person and then like so many people came out of the woodworks. And then I just got overwhelmed and I was like, oh no, I shouldn't even be doing this in the first place. I've been trying to cut the hose off. I'm not really good at doing stuff like that. But I finally did it, but then I like got drunk texted and they were like, be my sneaky link, and I was like, no thank you. Plus this hoe lives like 44 minutes away. Like, no, I'm not gonna be your sneaky link. You live 44 minutes away. I don't even have a car. He doesn't even have a car. Like, who wants to Uber that far? This is the palette I got from Beauty Bay, and I'm pretty sure hello guys, it's Nikki here. Hello guys, it's me, Nikki, hello. That's what she said. I've been using the shade, it's called Aurora, and I've been using that to do my blush. I also got these brushes from them, so. It's shimmery, so it kind of does my highlight too. Today, I want to just do a pretty simple look. I'm going to use the shade Single from the Supreme Seductress palette, and I'm just gonna take it up here. I forgot to do my eyebrows, I won't lie. I'm taking that out a good bit. We're done with that. That's all we're gonna do on the upper lid. I'm gonna take the color board palette. We're gonna go to the blue part of it. I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna put it under my eye. I'm gonna take this shade and try and put that closer to my waterline. I'm gonna take this, what's it called, crayon eyeliner I got from Beauty Bay also. It doesn't say a shade, but it's red, and I'm gonna put it on my lash line. Alright, now I'm gonna take a black. It's just like a metallic one. I would use a regular one, but I'm not going to. And I'm gonna take it under the lash line. I'm just gonna smudge it out with the same brush I used to do with blue. This is gonna smudge out throughout the day anyways, to be honest, but I'm just gonna smudge it out a little right now. I actually got gel eyeliner because I was really tired of my eyeliner always like running out. I got this. It ran out the same day I got it. I don't know if I'm just cursed or what, but look. What is that? We're gonna do like a wing that goes like up. Oh my god, I swear there's an eyelash in my eye or something. Yeah, kind of like that. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'm gonna come back. Alright, I am done with the makeup. Looks pretty good. I finished off with this lipstick and I used the Kylie lip liner or whatever. I don't know what these lashes are. I think I stole them because I honestly don't even think I bought them or something. I'm not sure, like from a friend or something. I'm not sure. Watch this. Yeah, alright. get into it. Hold on. Alright, stay there. Oh no! Alright, stay there. Alright. I don't know how to do a little two-step, but that's my outfit. I'll vlog at the party, but I don't know. It's just gonna be a bunch of like weed smokers and underage drinkers, so I'll see you there.
Get all the stuff, Reagan. Doesn't it just bring you back? Goose.
Party. So the party was a bust. I don't know. We were there for like 2 hours and it was like okay, but it wasn't like, it was just a small get together, so it wasn't anything crazy. I just wanted to film this outro because I never filmed one, because I kind of just went home and went to bed. Like I got home at 11 and just knocked out after I ordered some pizza.